Hi friends, I'm Parvez and this is our 9th video in Django web development. So in this video we're going to learn that how you can add bootstrap styles into your Django project. So in the previous video we have learned that how you can use CSS style sheets and how you can load static files in your Django project. Now there are two ways that you can add bootstrap styles in your Django project. So the first way is that you can just if you want to use offline, then you need to just download Bootstrap from getbootstrap.com, and you can see this is the version. And after downloading, you can just add the files in your static folder. For example, the CSS, you can add the CSS files in the CSS, and also you can add the jQuery files. And after adding the files, you can just, as we have linked our style.css, you can just do it like this. For example, there's a bootstrap.main.css. You can just add bootstrap.main.css. So this was the first way. Now the second way is that you can just copy the bootstrap CDN links, as we will do in this video. So if you come down, so you can see that this is the CSS, and also we have the jQuery and JavaScript bundles. Now we're going to just copy the CSS, and we want to paste this in our base.html. So let me just add it in here. So this is my CSS, and let me just remove this integrity from here. Okay, so this is our CSS file, and also you can add the jQuery and JavaScript. So let me just copy these two, and it's good to add these files in the bottom of the page in the body section, so in here, and we can just remove these integrity. Okay, now this is we have added our CSS and also JavaScript files. Now let me just open my index.html, and in here so the first thing, let me just remove this context variable because I don't want to use this anymore. So welcome to Geeks Coders, and also we can just remove these. Let me just remove it from here and remove it from here, so it is an empty context for right now. And also let me just remove this pro list. Okay, now I need to create a div class container. So div class container, and I'm going to add these two files in the container class. Okay, now let me just run my project, my Django project. So now I'm waiting for this. Okay, now this is my Django project. If I go to localhost port 80, port 8000, not 80, sorry, every time I'm telling port 80, but it is port 8000. So now we can see that our text is in here, and it means that our bootstrap is working. So let me just add a beer tag in here. Okay, now we want to add a navbar in here. So for this, if you check components in Bootstrap, so you can see that there are different navbars that you can use. Let me just find one navbar that I can use it. So let me just copy this, and I'm going to add this navbar in the base.html because I want to use it in my all files. So I have added the jQuery in the wrong place, so let me just add this at the bottom of the page, at the bottom of the body tag. And let me copy the nav bar, and I want to add this in before the body tag. So now if I refresh my page, so you can see that I have a nice nav bar in here. Let me just bring some changes. So first I want to change the now so there's no problem with the home, and let me change this. Whatever you want you can just add in here, Geeks Coders, and I need to remove these two, so pricing and also this disabled. So now if I now you can see now it's looking good. Let me change the color of this nav bar. So if you see the Bootstrap website, there are different colors I think that I can use. Yeah, you can see. So I want this dark color, so I'm going to just copy this dark color class, and instead of navbar light, I want to just add this navbar dark, bg dark. So now if I refresh this, so now you can see that it's working and we have a nice navbar in Django. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos you can check my website geekscoders.com.